Listening Activity Intermediate Level. This is an English worksheet filled with use of English activities, reading and listening comprehension. To do the activities, please visit the website Concord Homework Company UK and download the worksheet with the answer key for free.
The Journey of a Young Inventor. Lily, a bright and curious 14-year-old girl, lived in a small, picturesque town surrounded by lush green fields and rolling hills. Despite the town's natural beauty, it was a place where opportunities were scarce and resources were limited. From a young age, Lily had a passion for science and a dream to create something extraordinary, something that could solve real-world problems and improve people's lives. However, Lily's journey was not without its challenges. Her school lacked a proper science lab, and her family could not afford expensive materials or equipment. Many people in her town doubted her abilities, telling her that great inventions were only made by people in big cities with access to advanced technology. But Lily refused to let these obstacles discourage her. She believed that with hard work, creativity, and determination, she could achieve her dreams. One day, while walking home from school, Lily noticed something that would change her life forever. She saw families in her community struggling to access clean drinking water. Many relied on contaminated water sources, which led to health problems. Lily knew she had to do something about it. She decided to create a device that could purify water using renewable energy. After months of research, experimentation, and countless failures, Lily finally invented a solar-powered water purifier. Her invention was simple yet revolutionary. It used solar panels to power a filtration system that could turn dirty water into clean, drinkable water. The best part was that it was affordable and environmentally friendly, making it accessible to communities like hers. Lily's invention caught the attention of her science teacher, who encouraged her to enter it into a national science competition. Competing against students from prestigious schools with state-of-the-art facilities, Lily felt nervous but determined. She presented her invention with confidence, explaining how it could help communities in need. To her surprise and delight, Lily won first place in the competition. Her invention was praised for its innovation, practicality, and potential to make a real difference. The victory not only brought her recognition, but also opened doors for her to further develop her invention and share it with the world. Lily's story is a testament to the power of perseverance, creativity, and dreaming big. Despite the challenges she faced, she never gave up on her vision. Her journey inspires us to believe in ourselves, no matter where we come from or what obstacles we face.
Looking to improve your English skills with engaging, high-quality worksheets? Visit Concord Homework Co. UK to download this worksheet and explore a wide range of top-notch English resources designed to help you learn effectively. Don't stop there. Follow me on TikTok, X, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for more free resources, tips, and fun ways to boost your English skills. Let's make learning English exciting and enjoyable together. Click, download, follow, and